Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to discuss about commencement rule based on the new Finance Act 2020. Mind you, the new Finance Act 2020 was introduced to kick against the old provision of the commencement rule. If you watch my last video of the commencement rule, I made a video on that. You can watch and see the technicality involved in that old rules, talking about overlapping gaps and all that. But in this new Finance Act, the issue of overlapping and gaps have been eliminated. In fact, this new Finance Act has made commencement rule very simple and enjoyable. It's not difficult like the old provision. It's not. Very simple and straightforward. The new Finance Act is what is obtainable as at today, except maybe in the nearest future they amend it, and once they amend it, we're going to inform you right in this channel. But as it stands now, as at this date, the Finance Act stands and is kicking and is going. Are you with me? So let's go into the rules. In my last video, I explained everything about our commencement rule, but in this video I'm going straight to the rules. Now the rules here. Number one rule: the assessable profit shall be the profit from the date in which it commenced to carry out such business in Nigeria to the end of its first year, to the end of its first reporting year. That is number one. Second rule states that the assessable profit shall be the profit from the first day after its first accounting period to the end of its second accounting period. That is rule 2. I hope you are getting it. The third one says the assessable third and subsequent, the assessable profit for such, the assessable profit shall be the profit from the day after the accounting period just ended. Now, what they are trying to say here is that the first year, the day you commence your business, to the accounting year end, to the reporting year, they will give you in the question. To the reporting year, if they did not give you in the question, you use your IQ, your understanding to know. We're going to solve a question, and I'll tell you how to get that. 2 says that what? From the end of the accounting period, from the end of the reporting period, first day after that end, you continue to the end of the same reporting period of the next year. Is it confusing? Don't worry. We're going to solve an example that will explain it. The third year says from the end of that year, the first day of the next year to the end of the accounting period. Let's solve one example so that you understand it better and better. Now let's solve this question. Let's solve this question. Let me do away with this, so I'll be bringing it once in a while. Now let's solve this question. Hope my video is not blurry. Let's solve this question. Now the question says XYZ Limited commenced business on April 1st, 2020 and make up its account to November 30th each year. Now, if you look at this, you find out that April 2020, November is ahead, and they say each year. You understand? Then you say solution. Year of assessment, basis period, and your profit if given. But in this case, it's not given. So let's just get the rule. Let's explain it in detail. Now, it said that XYZ business commence, XYZ Limited commence business on April 1st. Now, I will urge you to get the basis period first before getting the year of assessment. Yeah, get your basis, because your basis period determines your year of assessment. Now, 1st of April 2020, I made up accounts to where November 30th each year. That is to say, in the year 2020, they made up the accounts to November 30th. They say 31st 11 2020. Now 2020 will be assessed when? 2021. So you come here and put 2021. Hope you are getting it. Now this is the first rule here. That's it. The assessable profit shall be the profit from the date in which it commenced to carry out such business in Nigeria to the end of the first year, to the end of the first reporting year. That is this. That is this first one. Now let's go to the second one. The second law states that the assessable profit shall be the profit from the first day after its first accounting period to the end of its second accounting period. After its first accounting period to the end of its accounting period. Now, what is the day after its first accounting period? What is a day after 31st November 2021? Sorry, 2020. A day after it is 1st December 2020. 1st December 2020. Then you come here and put 1st December 2020 to what? When are they making up the account? 31st November 2021. So the basis period, the year of assessment here will now be 2022. And the third year says something again. The third year says the assessable profit shall be the profit from the day after the accounting period just ended. When did the accounting period just ended? 31st November 2021. So the next first day after it is 1st December 2021 to 31st November 2022. Here the year of assessment here will now be 2020. Are you getting it? And it say third year and subsequent year follow the same procedure. Are you getting it? Now, and the question say determine the basis period for the first 4 years of assessment. Now we determine for 2. The fourth year will now be 2024, which is 1st December 2022 to 31st November 2020. If you want to extend it to the 5th year, 2025, will now give you 1st 12 2020 to 3 to 31st 11 2024. So if you watch this, so this is the new rule Finance Art is talking about. Very simple and straightforward. Now, if you check from here to here, we'll give you, I think, 6 months. April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November. Sorry, 9 months. Here we'll give you 9 months. So the assessable profit, and you are done. That's assessable profit. From here to here is 1 year. From here to here is 1 year. From here to here is 1 year. Here to here is 1 year. So the idea, the overlapping issue has been eliminated from here. There is no gap, no overlapping. You understand? So I hope you get it. If there is any question, ask me on the comment section. Now let's solve a question that have a basis, that have accessible profit. Let's see how it will go. Let's see how it will go. I believe we understand this. Now let's take this away and bring, let me tear this away. Good. Now this is the question. Now if you look at this question critically, let's read it. XYZ Limited commenced business on September 1st. That was why I underlined it. 2020, preparing account to 31st April each year. The company, following agreed profit for the first 4 years of its operation. Period to this 2021, 2022, 2023. Please disregard this. And let's use this 2021, 2022, 2023, 2020. These are the profits. Now they say you are required to determine the company assessable income for the relevant year of assessment. What are the relevant year of assessment? These years. Now we are going to solve this thing using 2 ideas. So whichever pleases you, you use it. Now I am going to pick I'm going to solve it without even looking here. Let's check if really the commencement rule is in line with what they have given us here. You say solution. You say what? Solution. Because to every problem, God has provided solution to every problems. That's why I love using solution. Now, year of assessment, basis period, and your profits. Hope everything is intact. Now, the question says, XYZ commenced business on September 1st, 2020, preparing account to 30th April each year. Now, listen to this. September, it started September. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. It started this business September. Preparing account to 30th April. Now, there is no way he can start this business 2020 September and he's going back to April. No. From September 2020 to April 30th means it has entered the next year, which is to say the account is being made up 2021. Each year it ends its account in April, which is the next year. Each year it ended in April, which is the next. Like the previous one we solve. The account there is this. Commence April 2020. That's when he commenced with, and make up its account to November. From April, you can easily get November. It's for within the same. But some question will categorically tell you the year at which it occurred. Now let's move. Now, commence business was 1st September. Now, basis period, I say you get the basis period to determine your year of assessment. 1st what? September, January, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 months. 9, 20 what? 2020. So what? 30th April 2021. Now, what is now the year of assessment? The year of assessment will now be 2022. Remember our rules, commencement rule. For the second year, it said that the first day after the what? The end of the accounting year. What is the first day after this? We have April. May 1st is the first day. They say 1st of May, which is for 2021 to 30th April 2022. The year of assessment becomes what? 2023. You get it? Subsequent year, the same thing. The first day after this year end, this period is 1st May 2022 to 30th April 2023, which will be assessed in 2024. You are getting it? 2024. Now, the next one is 1st 5 2023 to 30th April 2024, which will be assessed in 2025. Are you getting it? The next one will be 1st April 2024 to 30th April 2025, which will be assessed in 2026. Now, I've come up with this without looking at this. But now, let's check if they are the same thing. Now, they say period to 30th April 2021. Period to. That is to say, there is a period to. Where is this? Where is this starting from? This is the end. Now, we want to get where it started from. And the questions read here that it started September 1st. Let's count back and check if we meet September 1st. And calculate the number of months interval in between them. September. This April. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Is it 8 months? September 1st. This from September. I want to do it in such a way you will understand. April has been exhausted. April has been exhausted. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 months. Wait, let's count it. Like this one is not okay. Wait, let's count it. September, October, November, December, January, February, March, April. How many months? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 months. 8 months interval. You can count it yourself. 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 8 months. Now if you take from here April 2021, count it back to September 2020, you find that you will get 8 months. And that 8 months is what this figure is embedded here for. Then you just come here and put 48,000, because it covers it. Are you getting it? Then the next year, April, year ended 30th April 2022. If you count it back, you are going to meet 1st of May. Let's count it back. Let's just count. April. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. 1 year, which is this. Then you put your 56. The same thing applicable here, 64. The same thing applicable here, 92. This one I just added this in case they ask me. Now, what they needed from you, what they want to get from me is your knowledge about commencement rule and how you can apply your basis period and your year of assessment. Here say you are required to determine the company assessable income for the relevant year of assessment. When you add up this, it will give you a figure. That figure is your what? Assessable profit. Now, that is the first way of solving it, but I think that is the first way and the best way to solve it. The second way you can do this. The second way you can do this for the professionals, those who knows it very well. They'll just pick these dates. Year of assessment, basis period, and profits. And the profits. They will not pick, I say get the basis period first. They will pick 30th April 2021. When you count it back, you will get, when you count it back to the beginning, to the when they started the business, you will get 1st September 2020. 1st September 2020. Your year of assessment will now be 2022. Then the second year, 34 2022, you count back to give you 1st of May 2021, which will assess, year of assessment is 2023. Then the third year, 34 23, we give you 1st 5 22. Year of assessments will be 24. The next year, 34 24. You count back, give 5 22. Year of assessment will now be 2025, sorry. Now you just apply 48,000. Still very simple. You see, commencement rule is now simple, not like before that you have to go back, go front, make 12 months, do this, do that, apply first year, whichever is this, whichever is that. So the finance rule has made the new finance act has made life very simple for students and also for the examiner. The examiner will just look and mark. So this will give you 260,000. I hope this is very clear. Please, if you have any question, concerning this, don't fail to ask on the comment section. Please don't fail to ask on the comments. We are here together to teach each other and learn from each other. Okay, so thank you very much. Thank you very much. See you in my next video. Thumbs up for you guys.